Welcome back. Here we talk about money, 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 and everything that has to do with how to make money, manage, and multiply your money. This is Money Conversations with Gideon Okeke. Today we are going to be talking about the money triangle, the three things that helps you make money. You must have these three things or any of these three things to be able to translate it into money. And once you are good in one, two, or three of these, you are sure going to make money, no matter how big it is. All right, no matter how big the money keeps dropping, you are going to definitely make money. So today in this video, we're going to be talking about money triangle, the three things that will aid your wealth creation. And number one is knowledge. What you know will either make more money for you or hinder you from making money. What you don't know will make sure you don't make money. So we encourage even what we do at Impact Field and some other things or some other programs and projects I run, I encourage young people to go for knowledge. Go for knowledge. By all means, go for knowledge. If you have to pay for them, if you have to pay so much for them, ensure you pay for them because this will determine how far you go in life or how less or how short or how small you remain in life. So go for knowledge. Knowledge empowers you. No matter what you want to go into, the area, the talent you have, you already know that you have this talent. You already know that this is what you can do. Please go for more knowledge in it. Uh, there's a difference between a cake baker that bakes for 1 million naira per cake and a cake baker that bakes for 5,000 naira per cake. All these things, the materials doesn't change. The price of the materials are almost the same. It's the same material he buys that the other guy buys. It's the same thing he knows that the other guy knows. But the other guy that is making 1 million per cake have put in more effort into acquiring this knowledge. It's the same cake. The truth is that it's the same cake. It's the same thing, it's the same butter, it's the same flour, it's the same mixture. But this one have put in more time into knowing what he or she is supposed to know. And when that begins to pay, you understand that there are levels to this. There are levels to this. All right. So go for knowledge in your area of specialization, in your career, in the particular place you are working to ensure that become very known or very popular or very active in that industry. Ensure you go for knowledge. Know what you are supposed to know. Pay in millions, if possible, to get that knowledge, to get to that sphere, that environment where you get proper knowledge. So please ensure you go for knowledge. That is the only thing, or I'll not say the only thing, that is the first thing that will ensure that you make money. Yes, you can't make money from what you don't know anything about. It is true. You cannot make money from what you don't know anything about. It's impossible. You must have veritable knowledge and um, understanding on that field for you to be able to make money from it. So, I want to make money. Go for knowledge in that area. If you want to become a realtor, a real estate agent, go for knowledge, go for mentorship, go for coaching, go for books, go for seminars, go for conferences, anything that will add to your knowledge, go for it. Go for it. Like chase it, chase it, chase it, chase it, chase it like your life depends on it. Of course, your life depends on it because your wealth depends on what you know. All right, so number two is skills. What do you know how to do? What can you do? That is also an avenue to make money. What you can do. It is not the church you are going to. After going to church, you come back. And the question remains, what can you do? If you go for interviews, they will ask you, what can you do? How I got my first and second job, I think I have done only two jobs now, like paid employment. And the first one I stayed for 1 year, the other one I stayed for 2 months. The question has always been, what can you do? And I presented myself with what I can do. And those two jobs, I did not write application letter. Two of them, Just come to the office. What can you do? This is what I can do. Okay, start work. But if there's nothing I could do, the process could have been longer if I will ever get the job or the offer. So what can you do? What are you good at? What are you skilled in? If there's nothing you are skilled in, begin to get skilled now. Begin to learn skills now. Choose one thing and focus on it. Give it 1 year. Learn from every angle. Learn from YouTube, learn from Facebook, learn from friends, learn from tutors, learn from coaches, learn from everywhere. Get the knowledge, get the skill, begin to put your hands into work, and you're going to blow in the nearest future. And the last but not the least is what we call service. Service. No matter what you think you are doing, some of you that said, I cannot work for anybody, I cannot work for anybody, but you refuse to remember that the person, your clients are people, they are your bosses. So you must learn what is required to serve people and serve organizations for you to be able to make money. You can serve as volunteers, you can serve as staff. Staffs, staffers of companies are servants. They serve. They render services for money. So even if you are a boss, there are people that will boss over you for you to make money. So you must learn how to serve them, how to maintain relationship, and how to keep conversations in check. And that will ensure that you remain relevant in your career and in your field. My name is Gideon Chi Edozie Okike, and I'm excited that you are here. So, if you stayed up to this moment in this video, please, I want you to do something. Comment on the comment section and write knowledge, skills, and service. Knowledge, skills, and service. Or you can just put down there KSS, KSS, and I'll send you love and light. Thank you so much. See you in the very next video. My name is Gideon Chi Edozie Okike.